I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the radios and the feature. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open Settings and enable MyShare. You must sign into the same My account or allow guest access. This identifies devices. Once done, position the sender and receiver close together to minimize interference. Make sure screen lock is off and storage permission is granted to the MyShare service. Now that prerequisites are live, you're ready to initiate a transfer from the sending device. From the sender, select the files in Gallery or File Manager and tap Share, then choose MyShare. The device will scan and display nearby receivers. You'll see the receiver's name, tap it to send a transfer request. On the receiving device, you must tap Accept, otherwise the transfer won't start. During transfer, monitor progress and ETA on both screens and do not move devices far apart. If sending many files, MyShare batches them to optimize speed and reduce interruptions. After progress completes, verify files in Downloads or Gallery to ensure integrity and proper naming. Open a few to confirm successful transfer. If something fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both phones, then retry the transfer. A simple reset often clears discovery glitches. Make sure MyShare visibility is set to everyone or contacts as needed. If transfers keep failing, reboot both devices and reattempt. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues and keeps MyShare reliable for future transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.